Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guile in Street Fighter 6. Guile is a master of zoning, using his unique charge mechanics to control the screen and frustrate opponents. His playstyle revolves around maintaining distance, launching projectiles, and punishing mistakes. Mastering his charge inputs is absolutely essential for success, allowing you to seamlessly transition between powerful offensive and defensive options. Let's dive into his core strategy. Guile's arsenal centers around two iconic special moves. The Sonic Boom, performed by charging back then pressing forward and punch, is your primary projectile. It's excellent for pressuring opponents and creating space. The Flash Kick, charge down then up and kick, is your go-to anti-air. It has invincibility frames, making it perfect for punishing jump-ins. Practice these two moves until they become second nature. Your game plan with Guile should focus on establishing a strong defensive wall. Throw out Sonic Booms to control the ground, forcing your opponent to jump. When they do, be ready to intercept them with a precise Flash Kick. Once you've established this rhythm, you can start to advance, using walk-forward Sonic Booms to close distance and mix in throws or other close-range attacks. Consistency is key. To elevate your Guile play, explore advanced techniques. Learn to execute perfect Sonic Booms by releasing the charge precisely, granting faster recovery. Integrate drive rush into your combos for significant damage extensions and mix-ups. Finally, practice charge partitioning, which allows you to maintain a charge while performing other actions, enabling seamless transitions between your special moves. These skills will truly set you apart.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.